Alright, so first I'm going to explain the anatomical position. The anatomical position is very helpful for medical professionals as it allows a point of reference for the body whenever talking about things for injuries, for surgeries. It's a helpful way of being able to, for a medical professional, quickly respond or just know what you're talking about. For example, if a patient is prone position, laying down, and they have a cut on their hand, to know it's specifically the palm, you can say the anterior part of the hand, because you know that the anatomical position is like this, which essentially the palms are facing forward. So with that, the rest of the anatomical position are essentially with your body standing upright here, head straight, your eyes facing directly forward. As I said before, your arms are here with your palms facing straight out. Your legs are slightly apart, just right by your hips here, and then your toes are pointed forward. You can't see them, but they are pointed forward. Essentially, that is the anatomical position. With that, medical professionals do use different planes of the body for imaging, surgery, things like that. Some of the planes of the body are the frontal or coronal plane, which divides the body. Like if there was like a horizontal square that just cut my body in half this way, that would be the frontal coronal. This helps see the anterior side of the body. So this would be the anterior, and then this would be the other side, my other half, the posterior side. And then the other one is the sagittal plane, which you can do two ways. You can do a mid-sagittal, which is directly in half, dividing the body into left and right, or you could do just in two halves here with, that is not necessarily in the middle of the body. So that would be a parasagittal versus mid-sagittal. Essentially divides the body in left and right portions, and in imaging, this could look like seeing me from this side and then seeing me from this side. Then you have the transverse, which is a cut right here, which separates the superior portion of the body from the inferior portion of the body. You can just imagine a cut here. Can't exactly break my body in half that way, but that's how that one works. And then you have also an oblique plane, which essentially is more like a diagonal line, just cut the body this way. So another way medical professionals essentially address areas of the body is through quadrants of the abdomen here. There is the right upper quadrant. This has something such as the liver. Then you have the right lower quadrant, which has the appendix. You also have the left upper quadrant, which houses the stomach, and then the left lower quadrant, which houses the colon. So that's another way that medical professionals can find organs in the body.